This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Use a 7-foot to 8-foot medium-heavy rod with a 3,000 to 4,000 reel. Spool with 20 to 30-pound braided line for sensitivity. Attach a 20 to 30-pound fluorocarbon leader of 2 to 4 feet. Tie a strong loop knot for natural spoon action. Choose a Flutter spoon weighing 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce for striped base in most conditions. Select silver, chartreuse, or blue patterns based on light and water clarity. Cast across the current or parallel to structure for the best presentation. Let the spoon flutter on the fall to imitate injured baitfish. Retrieve with a medium-fast speed and add short rod jerks every 3 to 5 seconds. Vary cadence between steady and erratic to find what fish prefer. Pause for 2 to 4 seconds after a few jerks to allow strikes. Repeat casts to the same holding areas until activity changes. When you feel a confident thump, set the hook with a firm upward sweep. Keep pressure and use smooth reeling to avoid breaking 20 to 30-pound leaders. Bring fish to the boat or shore quickly to reduce exhaustion. Use a net or dehooker for safe handling and quick release when practicing catch and release. Adjust leader length between 3 and 4 feet for different water clarity and to improve presentation. Follow local regulations and handle fish with wet hands to protect slime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.